Hello everybody, and today we're going to use CNCMotion to import our G-code and to verify to make sure it works. So I'm going to go through all the settings with you. So you may have two different icons on your desktop, CNC Base and CNCMotion. We are looking for CNCMotion. So double click into that. It'll take a moment to upload. And at the same time, I would have a document with your G-code all ready to import. So when your screen opens up, you're going to see the bench mill 6000 right here. If you hold the right button on it, you can rotate the view. Let's see, that'll rotate it, panning it. Well, you roll the scroll wheel, it'll move it like that. Okay, so right click, zooms in and out, scroll wheel, changes the view. Here we got the manual advice set up inside of it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change the verify settings of our block so that it is the correct size. Also, if your screen is not like this, you want to go to Window, and then you want to use the Run and Edit screen. So now you have the three just like that. So we go to Setup, Verify Settings, go to Stock, and we're going to change this to be 3 by 2. Let's do a 1-inch height and 1-inch spacer. Hit OK. So now your block's like this. You can hit the little arrows like this to change a different orientation, and let's make this a little bit bigger. You can also see where the origin is set up on here. Now for verifying, you don't need to set the origin. I believe it always puts it into that front left corner right there. Now we're going to put it in our code. So I'm going to hit the little new button right there, so it brings up program 1, and I will go grab my G-code here. Control C that. Go back to CNCMotion, Control V. So now that it's in, screen's nice and clean. To verify it, I'm just going to hit verify up in this top left. Click that. It's going to tell me to verify program 1, so that's what I have open. Click that. Now up on top is always going to be the prompt that tells you what to do. Insert tool 1, hit F5, and there you have it. That's how you verify it. If you do not have a tool 1, say there's an issue with tool 1, I'll show you how to do that. We can go to Tools, Setup Library, and you're going to look for tool 1. So you have tool 00, tool 01, and you can change that to a 0.125 diameter end mill. Height offset, you don't need to worry about, or a diameter offset, none of that. End mill, so you can change it there. High speed steel, number of teeth 4, and you can hit OK with that. So now that's a tool 1 setup. We'll eventually go through all the different tools. That is how you verify your block. I think that's it. All these other controls we'll get into when we go to run it, and we'll worry about that at another point in time. I'll probably post another video for that. But that is your verify settings. If you want to zoom out, same thing, or zoom in, any of those controls. If you want to reset it, right there, and you can verify it as many times as you like. All right, people, that is it. Have a good day. Bye.